In the kitchen, I have for you some superfood high vibe matcha green tea face mask that you can make yourself. If you need a boost of glow, how about using this beautiful superfood to make a simple mask that will change your skin? You may know some of the benefits of green tea. Heals inflammation, lowers cholesterol, protects against sun damages, and the list goes on and on. It has a high percentage of powerful antioxidants that's why it's used many times as a medical aid, and it helps against free radicals in the air, which are damaging component to the body, to the cells, to the overall appearance as well. Green tea used typically as an anti-inflammatory with its properties, and it can be very soothing for acne, for inflammation, for rosacea, and for all skin irritation, or just for the glow. And that's where this fabulous easy recipe comes from. It's made with a matcha, which is a powder green tea leaves, and coconut oil. And when applied, it brightens the skin and leaves it super soft and smooth. So it's easy. It's only 3 ingredients. And basically, okay. So what do we need? One moment. Okay. So we need a tablespoon of matcha green tea powder. We need a tablespoon of coconut oil. Now I already melted it, so it's like an oily texture, because otherwise it's a bit hard. So that's, and we need 1 tablespoon of water that I'm gonna add. Now you can check yourself if you like it, that it's not too watery, not too hard. Just make it like you can add ingredients if you find it too watery, or the other way around. All you need to do, remove the makeup, clean the skin, and place the mask on and relax. Maybe have some green tea with that, and you're expected something different when you remove the mask.